Hello and welcome to this FlexiSPY video. Today we're going to show you how to get started with your FlexiSPY purchase. After purchasing FlexiSPY, you should have the target device ready in your hand for installation. You will also need to log into your inbox on your computer to view the FlexiSPY welcome email. This email gives you important information on how to log into your online portal and get started with the installation process. We have an inbox right here which displays, as you can see, a welcome email. The welcome email contains important information such as your order date and reference number. It also reaffirms that you need the device physically and that iOS devices have to be jailbroken and Android devices have to be rooted for certain features. Now here's the most important part. As you can see, you have the portal URL to log in, you have your username, your password and your activation code. Many people mistype the username. They mistakenly do not include the word user. You must type it exactly as seen here, otherwise you cannot log in. So I'm going to click the link to the portal and you can see standard username field and a standard password field. I'm going to go back to the welcome email, double click the username, right click, copy, back to the portal, right click and paste. And then I'm going to select the password field, go to the welcome email, double click to select, right click, copy, back to the login portal, password field is selected, right click and paste. So now you're good to go. Let's go ahead and log in. So the first thing you need to do, as you can see here, is actually install and activate the product on the device. So we're going to go ahead and click next. I'm not going to spend too much time explaining the help menu, but I'm just going to say that we do need to click how to install. Now here, once again, your license code is listed, and it's listed also as being available for install. What that means is that the software and the license is not tied to a device and has not yet been activated and installed. For example, if you are reinstalling the software onto a new device, your license code listed here may not be available for install. If that's the case, from inside your online portal, simply follow the steps to deactivate and uninstall to make the license available. You can then go back to the How to Install menu here and install the software again using the same license code. So, you've got your license code, the availability status, and you also have different platform icons here. These are the installation guides, and we have Apple for iOS, iPad, iPhone, Android unrooted, Android rooted signified by the R, BlackBerry and Symbian. So for the purpose of the video, we're just going to go ahead with rooted Android. In the window that appears, you'll see the installation guide. The beauty of these are that they're basically a set of PowerPoint slides. This means that you can navigate through them at your leisure. So it doesn't matter if you're a slow reader or you take a bit of extra time to understand what's being asked in the steps. Furthermore, you have additional tools so that you can download a copy for offline reading at your leisure and convenience. You can also print to a PDF in case you want to read it in a different location. All of that is perfectly fine. So, as you progress through the steps and through the slides, you'll install and activate the software on the device. When you get to the final step of entering your license code and activating the software, your portal is then ready for use. Here we have a portal where the software has already been installed. You can see that we have images from the device as well as location data. Again, this isn't a tutorial about how to use the portal, but all of the features are listed in the tabs along the left hand side. You have Control Center, where you can remotely send commands to the device from inside your portal to turn features on or off. And you also have the Quick Start Guide located in the Help menu. So again, we're back inside the Help menu, but this time we click Reference Manuals. Now, there's a wealth of information here, so make sure you read it all carefully, but for now we're going to go with Quick Setup. Quick Setup is written for each product version. We're going to choose Extreme because that's the one that we purchased. Now, these are the features that everybody has to configure after they've first installed the software. So they're not listed in order of importance, but everybody must enable them. The first one is how to set up GPS tracking. Obviously, you want to track where the device location is. Enabling this feature will do that for you. If you want to upload images, audios, and videos from the device to your portal, you have to enable the historical media option. Please be aware that there is a file size limit for the media uploaded. One of the most powerful features of FlexiSPY is Spy Call. This is where you use your own phone to call the target device in secret and listen to the surrounding audio using the microphone of the device. Please read it all carefully because it can be a little tricky to set up. Now, the next feature is Call Intercept. Call Intercept is where you use your own phone to call the target device after being notified that a call is in progress. When you then call the target device, you will be immediately patched into the call in secret without them ever knowing, so you can listen in. Ambient recording is where you can set or schedule ambient recordings from inside your portal. They will then be uploaded directly from the device to your portal, and you can download them from there and listen to them on your PC at your leisure. Call recording works similar to ambient recording. Once configured, all calls that are made from the device will be uploaded to your portal, and you download them and listen to them on your PC. Now, RemCam is where you can secretly turn on or off the camera to take pictures using the front and back camera. Simply initiate this command from inside your portal, and the device camera will be turned on, and pictures will be taken and uploaded to your online portal. The next feature is to get the target current location in real time. Clicking this feature will get the location and upload it instantly to your portal. Now, these are the main features to get started. Everything else you can find inside Control Center. Here you have categories for setting up all the features. Don't forget there is a scroll menu right here. A scroll bar is shown. Simply click the category and you have a subset of options. You then click an option and you can configure features as required. Simply clicking Sync Now will make these changes permanent the next time the device connects to the server. So there you have it, a very quick and easy way to get started with FlexiSPY. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to more videos in this series.